Okay, in this section I will show you how to design simple part like this. Just started. This part is name is Track Sprocket. Okay, first we can select the right plane and just click sketch. Okay, and select the circle. Select the line here. Just make this shape like this, this, and this. Okay, from the bottom of the circle, right click to make construction geometry. We want to rotate with the revolve boss. Okay, just the set dimension. The first in here, we can see the outer of the radius in here. The tooth is 26, so we can just input in here 26 millimeter for radius, and in the top we can see the diameter is 29, so the radius is 14.5 like this. Thickness in the top is 1 millimeter, and don't forget to make a line again is in and click just construction geometry like this to ensure the slope between this. The slope is 15 millimeter. You can see the slope is 15 millimeter, and the set dimension, this point to this edge is 9 millimeter like this. After we set the dimension every line and every slope, we can do the feature again. Just click revolve boss, click yes. For axis revolution, we can click this edge and just click OK. Okay, we just make this for simple revolve boss. For the top face, we can right click and click sketch again. We make a hole first before we make a thread. The hole have a radius 12, so we just click circle, draw for this point, set the dimension because the radius is 12, so the diameter is 24 like this. Go to feature again, click extrude cut, and just for direction we select the true all and click OK. Okay, after that we can to see in the bottom face in here, click this face, bottom face, and click sketch. Okay, we want to make the tooth or teeth in here. The teeth and the sprocket have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 11 12. The sprocket have 12 teeth, so we just begin to make it simple. Select the circle in here, click draw it, ensure this point and this point to make vertical. Just click 2 point just to make vertical and show. To set the dimension of diameter in here, we can see the diameter is the circle have a radius 2 millimeter, so the diameter is 4 millimeter like this, and just click OK. After that, set the distance of this center of circle and this center part. The distance is 20 millimeter like this. After that, we can select to center line. We draw it to the top and click a line in here. Click in this line to is in here, and ensure this line click. Control on your keyboard, choose the two line in here, this line and the circle, and click make tangent. So we can click make tangent this. After that, we can set the dimension of this line, or this line is, we can see 60 degree. So in this line to the center in here to be 30 degree like this, and just use the mirror entities. Click entities to mirror this line and mirror about this center line. Okay, just click OK. So we can check again to line in here have a 60 degree and just click OK to ensure is ensure to the angle appropriate with this drawing. And then we just to remove this line in here inside, just click trim entities, select two line in here and just click OK. After that we can rotate this sketch using the circular sketch pattern. And entities to pattern we can select 1, 2, 3 line in here, and ensure for parameter point we select this center of pointer part in here, so we can to adjust the number of this sketch. This sketch have 12 teeth, so we can to change in here to be 12 like this and click OK. This simple. And we can to go to the convert entities, select this edge and click OK. Okay, we just need to here, so we can to extrude cut in here, so we can remove. Okay. Okay, like this. So then we can remove this, and so we can to select trim entities. We remove this edge, this edge, this edge, like this, this edge, this edge, this line, this line, this line, and this line, this line. Remove this line, and just this part sketch, and just click the feature, click the extrude cut. Okay, for direction we select the through all and click OK. Okay, like this, simple. So in the last we can see again we want to make a thread in here. So we can go to the sketch, to the feature, choose the thread for the whole wizard feature, just click thread, click OK. Thread location we select inner of edge in here, just click. For size, this radius of 12, so the diameter is 24, so the size in here I select the 24 thread. For example, I select metric 24 by 3 like this. Okay, for specification the type we can select the metric type, for example, and for we can do just in offset in here, set 1.5, and the end condition we can do just to 1.5 millimeter again. We can do just so the thread come to enter the like a bolt, so we can just offset like this. Just click OK. Okay, sorry. Okay, oh sorry. To end condition we can select this edge like this. For the thread location we can do just like this, to change the direction, reverse direction like this. We just to offset in here 1.5 and 1.5 because to make a thread can to be enter like a bolt like this. Okay, like this, just click OK. Maybe we can to edit again, edit feature to thread to be for size, for example, to more little, for example M24 by 2, and just click OK like this. Okay, And last, we can to change the appearances. Select the all feature we just made and click the varnish style for about and click OK. Okay, we can change, select the all feature. Just click appearances. For example, this metal style, just varnish style. Okay, like this. We can to change the color too. Select all and click this icon, edit appearances. For example, is wine color, like this. Okay, this is a simple tutorial how to make this part. This part, the Track Sprocket. I apologize if there are any error in conveying this material. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe to more video or to more tutorial. Thank you very much and see you in the next tutorial.